Hello guys, today I will show you how to install ctfr tool in your Termux. So first make your Termux update and upgrade. For making your terminal update and upgrade, you have to type. Otherwise, you can just copy this one. I given this command in my Telegram channel, guys. So please visit there and copy it and paste it in your terminal. Okay, copy it and paste it here. Okay, and then press enter. After that, it will take some time, guys. So please wait. It will take some times. It will ask for you for installing. See guys, now it's asking for you for Y or N. You have to type Y for S for installation. Okay, just press Y and it will install. If you press Y AN, it will not install, so press Y. Okay, processing. Okay, after that copy the second command. Okay, copy it and paste it in your terminal. Okay, pkg install python 3. I already installed this one, guys. That's why it's showing for me like this. It will take some time in your terminal. After that, copy the third command, clone your tool. Okay, for cloning process, just get clone and copy it, get clone and the http link. Okay, after that copy the fourth command. Okay, copy it and paste it here. Okay, see, now we are in the ctrf directory. Okay, cd means chain directory, ls means list. Okay, after that copy this one, pip3 install -r requirement.txt. Okay, copy it and paste it here. So in this video I'll show only installation process here, guys. If you want a full practical video of this tool, you can join in my Telegram channel. It's a free. So thanks for watching. This video is only for education purpose. Thanks for watching, guys.
Yeah.